Paki-inverse na lang natin kala SA yan.
Ay, no, tama.
Just a rainy Monday.
Manamis-namis na maalat. Ang sarap.
Two cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday. Everything's unstable. I was unprepared. The colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh, yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh, yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but oh, I miss you. I see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but oh, I miss you. Walking through our city, so much I want to show you. Say your jokes inside my head. Life is much less pretty when I live it without you.
Baby, how's the run? Good? Biking and running. Sarap. Sarap ng weather. Kain na!
Lunchtime, kakatapos lang namin tumakbo. Kakadating lang namin dito sa bahay. It's already 3:24 in the afternoon. Late, as usual, late lunch. Grabe naman to. Buka na subo.
Kami.
So, my sister is visiting soon. Kaya, city para bumili ng mga few stuff dito sa bahay dahil masyadong malamig. For sure, di nila kakayanin ng matulog ng manipis ang kumot. So, kailangan namin bumili ng extra comforter. Tapos, bili din kami ng slippers para meron silang slippers. Mga basic stuff lang na kailangan nila. And yung mga kulang ko from the groceries yesterday. And maglilinis kami ng bahay. Dahil nakakahiya naman may bisita kami. So, kailangan namin mag-general cleaning. And we have to do it na today kasi next week na yung alis namin. Wala na kaming time next week. So, we have to do everything today. malamig yung outfit ko.
Exad yung suit nito,
Kasi,
pang snow yata.
I swear, sobrang lamig. Sabi 14 degrees, pero it feels like mga 8 ganon. As in, ginaw na ako. Oh, diba? Eh, bakit pa? Eh, malamig nga eh.
Hindi, ayos yan. Kasi
Siya.
may one pocket yan.
Tsaka hindi, medyo makapal talaga to. Medyo makapal talaga siya. Sobrang lamig naman kasi talaga. It feels like mga 8, ganyan. Tapos ang problema pa, masyadong mahangin, kaya wala akong pakialam kung medyo, overdress ako. Kasi ito nang buwisit, giniginaw nga ako. Basta bala kayo, giniginaw ako.
A lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like this.
Bibili mo na ako ng beer dito sa Liquorland. Yung stock. Iwan ko na ito dito.
Less mundane, oh, stay inside. Take away inside, oh, take today, oh, dancing in the rain.
Kakagaling lang namin sa Kohl's, tsaka sa, bumili ito ng beer. Ito na kami ng Target, bili ko ng bedsheet,
Target
tsaka
pala.
comforter, tsaka slippers nila.
Slippers, okay.
I naturally would see magic in the world around me.
Sa baba.
Now I often get so tired. It's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free.
I like it.
But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and
Ayan, so double yung sa kanila. O, ito, comforter nila.
Okay.
Ay, wait.
Ito na yung color.
Oo, okay na yan. Kasi meron na rin ako ng pillowcase na extra. Yun,
today, just a little less mundane.
Kamusta ang hakot? Target haul. Target haul.
Maya, pakita ko ako na yung mga napamili ko. Pero ayan na yan. Tapos na tayo.
Tapos na? Uy, umabot 1 minute to go. 4:59.
Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might
Madala ko na
say.
siya sabay dun sa
'Cause I could stay inside and take away inside.
That's it,
Oh, man.
58. Kaya nga,
O kaya, ate, wag na kayo. Next time, wag na kayo pupunta dito.
Papa-reimburse na lang natin kila SA yan.
Ay, no, tama. Willing kami accommodate to
Reimburse na lang
ulit.
natin.
Pero, bayaran nyo na lang pagdating nyo.
Joke lang, joke lang.
Hindi ako nag-joke. O, tatabi ko yung resibo para
Ay, babe,
i-reimburse.
may nakalimutan tayo.
Ano?
Chinelas.
Oh, no.
Hindi, next time na lang yun. Madali na yun. Pag nag-groceries na tayo next month.
Oh, sige.
Next week.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are inconvenient.
Ah, please.
You say you're gonna pull up, but I know you only come if you think that makes us even. If I were to stay till you're okay, I know by now. You tell all your friends that I'm obsessed. Now let's get real. What is it you want? You want me here, but back up a little. So I give you space just like you said, and now I'm evil. Bow 3 times, grab a protractor, measure distance between us all. Always ask first, and the calm is Mr. Rogers, if you're drinking from the well. I'm suburbanly suburban, oh, in case you couldn't tell. With my shell with the belt, grab it real good. Keep my pants far from hell, looking real good. Got me wrapped up in a bow, Orient flow. Well, minor episode I ended with. If I were to stay till you're okay, I know that now.
Lahat ng mga binili ko. Pero lalaban ko muna siya lahat ngayon para after matuyo, ayusin ko na yung bed.
What is it you want me here, but back up a little. So I give you space just like you said, and now I'm evil. If I could do anything now, baby.
Yan. Usually sa Pogo yung beer ko kasi twist cup naubusan. So, ito na lang. Ito naman yung original ko na binibili sa Costco dati. So, anis ko na rin tong hand.
Yun ang tignan yung iba naming kagamitan. Magulo yung pantry. Ay, nag-promote pa ng alak.
Bus na.
If I were to stay till you're okay, I know by now. If I were to stay now, you tell all your friends that I'm obsessed now. Let's get real. Why gotta lie like what is it you want me here, but back up and leave me. So I'll give you space just like you said, and now I'm evil.
My first guest here. Now it's going to with my seafood. Put some caviar on top.
Yung first dish na in-order namin is sea flowers. So, gawa siya sa nakalimutan ko na kasi wala akong menu. Madaming stuff. So, yung itsura niya, ganyan.
Give you the honors. Ikaw muna.
Sige, ako
Titignan ko yung
muna.
reaction mo.
Tikman natin. Kasha talagang dumpling na may
Sa akin na
prawns.
to, tapos akin na yung kabyo.
Ulam na to eh. Babe, I need rice. Gusto ko siya na may kanin. Careful ka. Medyo may kick.
Manghang.
May kick, pero sa akin perfect lang. Babe, sarap.
Sarap. Order again.
Oo, order again. Pero ang anghang.
Sarap na.
Dumpling siya eh, di ba?
Dumpling na curry na parang may pagkaano din eh. May pagka-tom yum din yung dating eh. Di ba?
Exactly. Alam niyo ba, binigyan kami ng, ano, ang tawag dito?
Peanuts.
Peanuts.
Ang
Okay.
sarap eh.
So, habang nag-aantay kami ng order, may peanuts na free. Sobrang sarap ng peanuts. Ang weird. Talagang sarap na sarap kami.
Saka fresh siya, hindi siya stale.
Tapos meron siyang certain timpla. Meron siyang certain na timpla na very unique sa Thai flavor. Sarap, para siyang may lemongrass na lime na ewan. Na medyo may fish, parang may anchovies ng konti. Tapos manamis-namis na maalat. Ang sarap!
Nagpapakinig ako, nabigyan pa kami isa. Binigyan kami
Ayun,
isa.
di siya nagpaparinig paulit. Nagjo-joke sa paulit-ulit. Ayun, binigyan tuloy kami isa pa.
Bibili naman kami ng mamaya.
So ano siya for
Hello,
Kasi-
how are we?
good?
Good.
We have tom yum,
Thank you.
Pigeon,
Okay, tikman ko. Ay, ang sarap.
Sarap. Ito na yung number 1.
Babe, bueno!
Siya yung yardstick ko ng tom yum. Expert to sa tom yum kasi madalas sa Thailand to eh.
Oh my gosh.
Patikin.
Yummy.
Yummy. Ito na best.
Number 1 ko pa rin yung sa Melbourne.
Melbourne, yung,
Oo.
yung mura.
Kasi ang daming
Yung Dolby?
mushrooms nun eh.
Hindi, pero yung lasa lang.
Mas creamy yun.
Oo nga, sarap na. Kaya lang hindi masyado mainit.
Ha? Mainit naman.
Parang hindi ako nainitan.
Ginawa akong ulam yung entree. Sarap yun.
Legit yung sabaw nito.
Winner, no? Winner.
Sarap.
Ayan, may mushroom. Nag-iisa. Nag-iisang mushroom.
Di-
Finally, dumating na yung green curry.
May ano pala, pag natapos yung starter, saka lang ilalabas
Si-serve yung
mains.
main.
Unless mag-request ka na sabay-sabay.
Serve all together.
Kaya palang tagal, hinihintay na.
Authentic. Babe, ang layo dun sa
Sarap.
sarap panalo. Sarap.
Good. You like it?
Dahil tapos na kami kumain. Verdict. Ako definitely babalikan ko to.
Oo.
10 out of 10. 10
Babalikan
out
mo.
of 10. Babalikan ko siya. Medyo pricey lang siya. So, hindi siya yung parang
Hindi mo siya
it's
pwedeng
something
yung
na
madalas.
gawing weekly.
Okay. This is the moment of truth. Magkano?
Oh,
How much do you think is our bill?
150.
Wow! You got it. $4 short ka lang. 146.
Hindi ako short. Sobra.
Sobra pala. Oh, sobra. You're over
Well, I
$4.
was kinda expecting it dahil
And
nasa
malaki pala. For $8. Not bad.
nakakaano na siya doon.
Nandun
Nakaganto-ganto na.
Sa may cashier meron ng ganyan.
Sarap.
Sa chan.
So, that's it. See
it.
you guys
Going home.
later. Bye.
Sit here in the silence, saying nothing. You could just hold my